The true-size, precision-calibrated ring stick delivers consistent, dependable results from start to finish when sizing rings. Test diamonds and created moissanite upon take-in, right in front of your customer. From tiny prongs to micro pave, an OptiVISOR provides a closer, more comfortable view. Be sure to accurately identify stones, describe their color in detail, and record their condition. Note precise diamond and gemstone dimensions. In light of the FTC's new guidelines on gold caratage, it's more important than ever to make sure you're testing all incoming repair items. Use Geller's Blue Book to price repair jobs adequately. Then provide a hard copy handout of your pricing services. It's difficult to scoff at repair rates that are set in stone. Thoroughly inscribe every detail when taking in repairs. Keep a copy for your records, then share a copy with your customer and bench jeweler. Connect this microscope to a laptop to show customers their jewelry in detail. Point out damages and distinctive diamond inclusions. Then capture photos and video with a simple click for your records. Use a separate, fresh envelope for each repair. This eliminates any confusion and keeps a lasting record of each job performed. Stow repair jobs in your safe, as it is harder to replace customers' jewelry than your own inventory. Weigh and record each article upon intake.